Keep going. My screen's all fuzzy.
Watch it pop. My foot's touching the ground. I don't want to do that. Something's leaking. Oh, it's the hose.
Ah! Don't get me, don't get me, don't.
It's not a big enough puddle. Why is it moving? I'm gonna try and pick this up again.
I wouldn't grab it like that. It's gonna fall.
Okay. Well then.
Let me see.
That's my balloon.
That's my balloon.
I popped it.
Let's go up here.